Hello, beautiful people. It's me, Marlon Bennett, guys, and we're back for another how to make money working from home on your computer with affiliate marketing YouTube video, guys. And we're going to continue in this video talking about traffic, okay? One really cool internet marketer I know by the name of Jeff Amen actually sent me an email, and in that email, and in that actual product that I actually picked up from Jeff, I was talking about traffic, and Jeff was actually quoting Henry Ford. So I'm going to quote Jeff, who was quoting Henry Ford when I read the fact that a man who stops advertising to save money is like a man who stops a clock to save time. Guys, today we're going to do the very first official video that's going inside my 1 million ways to market, right? Traffic and lead generation strategies, guys. And we're going to start talking about login ads, okay? We're going to start talking about login ads. And I'm going to cover a few things on this video because I am so super pumped up and so super excited because these leads are just coming in very, 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 very fast. And a lot of you guys are enjoying some of the things that we're talking about here. And I promise you guys, when we get this all tricked out, well, it's just going to be a beautiful process for you guys to follow along and start marketing and promoting anything that you want. Start marketing and promoting multiple automated marketing systems if you want. To start building multiple lists if you want. I mean, you'll be able to do all of those things, guys. And when I talk about returning the creativity and the actual power to you guys, then rest assured, guys, that's exactly what's going to happen inside of this training. Now, when we start talking about login ads, right, and starter ads, guys, they're very powerfully effective. But when you use them, you want to use them different than the way most people use them. Now, when I first started out using them, I was basically cramming my business opportunities into the login starter ads. Did they work? Yeah, they work, guys. But remember, you know what I like to say, guys, when everybody else is kind of zigging, I'm usually sort of zagging. Okay, whatever. So listen, guys, this is what I want you guys to understand. When you talk about a login ad, guys, do something a little bit different. Offer the people coming into these login ads. These are the first ads that people are going to see when they log into these platforms. And so we want to offer them something that's not in conflict with what they're doing. If they already got 2 or 3 business opportunities, that might not be what they're looking for. You can't rule it out because people are oftentimes looking for new income streams. But why not do something that's totally different, right? Totally contradictory to what it is they're trying to market. In fact, it's really going to give them an unfair advantage. It's only going to complement what it is they're doing. That's the way we want to strategically position ourselves in front of the people inside of the login starter ad, guys. And I'm going to show you guys an excellent example, right? We're going to talk specifically about the actual big banner ads marketing strategy. This is why a lot of you guys are picking it up, because you're coming through sites like this and you already have business opportunities. You simply want more traffic. This is why this strategy makes this far more effective than just simply trying to market a business opportunity. And when you do this the right way, you can always turn around, guys, and market your business opportunity on the back end to the list that you're starting to build, because you're actually giving the person value and something that they can actually use. They're on your list, and 9 times out of 10, guys, rather than just be, they are going to look at you as a person usually in a position of authority, or who can give them something that they really can use that's not in conflict with what they're already doing, and they're more likely than not to join you in other income streams, other business opportunities, right? They're more likely to join you guys because you created a relationship built on value. Okay, so inside of the actual starter and login ads, guys, you guys will be on a page that looks like this. And so what's going to happen, when this is all said and done, guys, when it's all tricked out, I'm going to have about 6 or 7 different login starter ads in here, right? When you click these buttons go to different login starter ad platforms. You guys will find that out if, in fact, you are inside the training. All you have to do is click. A button is going to drop down. You guys can click here. It'll take you over to the actual platform itself. So now that you understand that, guys, let's get into the login starter ads. We're already talking about getting as much traffic as we possibly can. And so in this example, guys, we're going to go to one right, of many that's going to be inside of here. This is just 3 I got in here now, but it's going to be about 6, maybe 7. And understand the same process works with the login starter ad, okay? The same process. When you see me doing right now, and these other platforms, you will do the exact same thing. So I'm just going to cover one. There's no need to cover every single platform that I have inside here. Just understand they all work the same way. So let's come down at the very bottom. We're going to click there. And guys, I'm going to go over to one of my favorite sources for login ads. And I'm going to click here so you guys can see exactly where I'm taking you guys to right now. So now, guys, the name of this particular platform is called Herculist. Herculist is a powerhouse. It's a dream come true when you know how to actually effectively use the traffic that's coming, all the different places you can get traffic for inside of Herculist, guys, okay? Lots and lots and lots of traffic going on here. And this is what I love about Herculist. I just emailed one of the admins at Herculist, guys. I promise you it wasn't 10 minutes ago. And boom, just like that, they replied to my actual my email. These guys did not play around, okay? If you want some fast traffic, if you want some fast traffic right now, today, Hercules is a place that you want to go to. Now, once you click that link, guys, and if you're inside the members area, you'll be able to set yourself up a free account. Just go ahead on and sign up. It's absolutely free, guys. There is an affiliate component tied in here that actually allows you guys, if you should get it, I think it's $45 a year, where you actually get the email, the entire database inside of here, guys, okay? So make sure that you explore all the other options inside of Herculist. But today, we're talking specifically about the actual login ad. And their login ad is known as the Ad Blaer. Very powerfully effective when used the right way. So what are we going to do, guys? We're going to do whatever's clever. We're going to get in front of these people with some more traffic, right? We already know they're looking for traffic. That's what they're there for, guys, okay? That's what the party's all about, right? Getting more leads, getting more traffic, ultimately getting more sales and more signups. We're building our list, guys, and we're going to do it with simplicity, ease, and speed, using the techniques, the tactics, the strategies, the tools, and the resources that I'm going to share with you inside of this training. Now, I talk so much about the HBA funnel builder because when you can build your own capture pages, if you guys remember me saying this, then you can speak to different audiences in different ways, okay? Now, the login ads, right, unlike the big banner ads, right, it's a totally different animal, guys, okay? It's a totally different audience. I would never, ever run an ad like this inside of my big banner ads marketing strategy, because most of those people are people, you know, who are truly looking for business opportunities. A lot of them don't even know about business and, you know, internet marketing and things. And that's what makes that such a great platform. So when you're talking about traffic to that audience, a lot of people, they may not get it necessarily right off the bat. So you want to know where to go to market. Remember, guys, we said we want to go where the people most likely to be interested in what it is we're marketing. So inside of the actual Hercules platform, that is an absolute gold mine when you talk about this strategy. I told you guys, a lot of you guys, hopefully you guys are actually sitting in. A lot of you guys have actually picked up the actual big banner ads marketing strategy. Hold on for 1 second, guys. And the reason you picked it up, I'm sorry about that, guys, is the fact that you want some new, creative, and innovative ways to get even more leads and traffic, particularly if you can get it every single day, Monday through Sunday, on holidays, even while you're sleeping, right? Okay, so what we want to do, guys, is we're going to actually come over to Ad Blaer once you're inside of this particular platform. And all you're going to do, guys, you're going to put your email inside of this box, right? You're gonna fill out the form, guys. Just follow through with the form. And the reason why I'm saying that, like I'm saying it right now, guys, because I just placed an actual Prime ad inside of Hercules, and it works in a similar fashion. So I'm going to go on and cover both of them at the same time, which is why I'm not going to do this ad right now. I got a whole nother link that I'm going to be putting in here for the Ad Blaer. I mean, it won't be the big banner ads marketing strategy. It's something else. But what I want you guys to understand is I got something else that I'm setting up for this. So you guys hold on for a second, and I'm going to show you guys the Prime ad, which works very similar to the Ad Blaer inside of Hercules. Okay, guys. That particular ad is called the Traffic Bomb, and that's what I just placed an order from inside of Hercules, right? And you can see they're confirming my order right here. And what they're saying is, hi, Marlon, your Prime ad is now active. The other thing I like about Hercules, guys, is they send you tracking links for everything. You'll know where your traffic is coming from because they will send you a tracking link. And I'm going to go down here to the actual tracking link, right? There's my name. There's my email. There, I just purchased 450 visits. Prime ad stats. You can actually check the stats. Okay, there's the website URL, right? It's my big banner ads marketing strategy capture page. And when I want to be able to go and check the stats, it just ran. I'm going to click this and show you guys what happens when you go to check your stats. Because once you go to check your stats, you can see in real time. Remember I told you guys that how many people are calling or have come to your website and how much traffic you got left, all that great stuff. Now, this is another one of them types of ads that just populates almost anywhere across the platform, which is another great feature. So again, check out all these different types of ads they had. I'm going to continue to my ad tracking. Once I do that, guys, you'll see there's my Prime ad, okay? Your order status is actually running. I ran the ad, guys, not 25 minutes ago, and look at this. 5 visits have already been completed out of the 450. This is where you would check that URL, guys. So I'm going to click that, and we're going to go over to the actual URL, right, for my big banner ads marketing strategy. There's no doubt in my mind, if I continue to run these types of ads, guys, I will continue to extract these out of Hercules using login and starter ads in any platform that I choose to use, because I know that that's what most people with a business opportunity, affiliate marketers, MLMers, network marketers, direct sale, even direct mail people, guys, are constantly looking for more traffic and leads. That's what makes this type of ad so very powerful inside of a login starter ad platform. Now, I hope you guys are following on. I hope you're getting that. I hope you're understanding. When we start talking about all the things that we started about at the onset of this new video series, at the onset of me actually talking about 10 reasons you should be using the HBA funnel builder, the reason why I talk about these things is because it's really like a big giant puzzle. But when you really figure out the meaning of the pieces of the puzzle, it all falls into place, no pun intended. And it actually makes perfect sense. We're talking about automating our entire business. We're talking about setting up automated marketing systems. We're talking about getting leads and traffic every single day coming into our automated marketing systems, guys. And that is a beautiful way to do it. So once you clicked and you've come inside of the Ad Blaer platform, let's see, can we back out of here? I don't know if we can. I will try. And this is what you want to be doing inside the actual platform. And so now we're back inside of our members area, guys. Remember, every button on this page is going to redirect you to a different login starter ad. They have different prices. Great place to go to do this type of thing. And don't forget, you can run your business opportunities in these login and starter ads, guys. It's a numbers game, okay? But when you talk about your login starter ad, guys, try to think out the box. Try to think about the things that people are going to most likely be more interested in. And sometimes another business opportunity is the last thing a person wants to see when they're coming into one of these platforms. Now, another new, creative, innovative way to get even more leads every single day, that's something that's going to catch people's attention, guys. Okay, and that's something that people will opt in to get. And remember, if you lead with value, guys, you don't have to worry so much about making a sale every time you go into one of these platforms. Let's concentrate on the follow-up, okay? We're building our list. Remember, right? The money's in the list, but the fortune's in the follow-up. So create some great relationships by giving people something of value, by giving them something that's not in conflict with what it is they're already doing, and boom, guys, you unlock the key because you have it now. You actually have the keys to the kingdom. Now, since I'm on this video, guys, let me just go on and uncover one other thing because, instant recall, guys, I'm going to go ahead and unplug it because I'm really tying this all up. I'm tying it all together so we can move into to our second and third and fourth income streams. And I really want to get into that. But it's so much to cover, guys, and I want to make sure I try to do the most thorough job that I can actually do as I'm doing this. And so it's just a lot of fun, man. And really, the activity is actually skyrocketed. I really want to shout out a couple of people who came into instant recall since the last video, actually. And I gotta do this because I was really excited to see Peter Nguyen, right? That's Nguyen, and John Foster. John Foster, guys. Big props, John, by the way. I hope you're on the video. John Foster was actually John Foster was looking for the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy, and he actually emailed me. Thanks, John, for emailing me, by the way. And he was asking me about picking it up. And so what I was, I don't know if I explained it to John, but I'll go ahead and explain it to everybody because John made a good point. So what John was saying was, yeah, I see you doing the actual videos on the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy, but I don't see a link, maybe, right, possibly, where I can get it. And the reason why, guys, is because the only way you get it is if you actually get it through this link that I'm going to leave in the YouTube video description area or right below this video. For you guys on my list, you should already have instant access to this. Or if you buy it, right? I'm not charging for it yet, guys, but I will be soon. I will be selling it for somewhere right around $9.99. And let me say this at the same time. This particular Big Banner Ads marketing strategy, the traffic is never going to be inundated, guys. It's never going to be saturated. Ever, ever, ever in a day. It never will. I'm adding new banners all the time. So, you know, you're going to have a choice of all types of banners to use. You guys can go and find banners of your own. You can go to Fiverr, have them created. You're just never going to run out of traffic. Anyway, yeah, so Peter and John particularly, right? John actually reached out. I actually was able to create his replicated website. And so he was able, hopefully, if you've seen it by now, to pick up the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy because it is in fact inside of the Instant Paydays, Instant Recall replicated website. So for anybody who's curious about it, right, get it, guys, and listen. Share value with people. Always do that. But don't try to limit the people that you're just giving things away to, right? Now, listen to what I'm saying. A lot of people, guys, we call, you know, in this industry, we call them tire kickers, right? A lot of people, you know, this is just true across the board. They're never going to do anything, guys. I'm not trying to slight anybody. I'm just being honest. Like a lot of people are never going to do anything. They're going to knock everything they see. They don't understand. They think everything's a get rich quick scheme or, you know, but action takers, entrepreneurs, people who are entrepreneurs at heart, right? They're going to continue to forge their path, guys. They're going to continue to make that. They're going to make it where there is no door, we make doors, right? Where there are no stairs, we build them, right? Where there are no bridges, we build them too, guys. We always get to where it is we want to go because we don't give up. We are innovators, guys, right? And we're always evolving. So if you should pick this up, guys, guard it, right? Guard it. Guard it like it's probably one of the most priceless possessions you ever had, right? Because it is priceless. Information is priceless, but when it becomes really, really priceless is when you use it, right? Because you can have all the information in the world, but it really doesn't become priceless until you do something with it, right? So guys, make sure that you guard this. You can do videos on it all day and night if you pick it up, but don't unlock it unless people join you in something, right? Don't give it away, right? Because there's too many people giving away too many things with a lot of value tied into them, and sometimes people don't appreciate it. That's just a little marketing tip I'm going to throw in there for you guys. You know, make sure, get inside, check it out, and appreciate it, use it, implement it, execute, guys, okay? Make that happen, guys. I'm telling you, you will be a better person, a better internet marketer for it. And remember, guys, a man who stops advertising to save money is like a man who stops a clock to save time. Go on, guys. Get into the actual login starter ads, guys. It's a great place to be. You're going to find about, I'll probably end up putting about 6, at least, maybe 7 sources in here, and you guys will be off to the races. I appreciate you guys being on the video. Big props again to Peter and you, John. Thanks so much, guys, for joining the team. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.